All right. News that we are breaking to you from Maharashtra. BJP MLAs are staging a protest at the State Assembly in Mumbai against the suspension of 12 of its legislators and on the OBC reservation issue. There were major fireworks on the floor of the House, after which 12 of the legislators from BJP were suspended for a year. Now the pictures that we are looking at are of protests happening outside the assembly. BJP MLAs are gathered there, sitting outside the assembly. You have Devendra Fadnavis also sitting right at the center. Information coming in here on Mirror Now that the government, Devendra Fadnavis right now is talking to the other members of his party, talking about how the government is ignoring the issue of Maratha and OBC reservation and the issue of students. Also saying that those who raised voice against this issue have got suspended. So that is the main bone of contention. And he's calling this a shadow assembly, the congregation of BJP MLAs outside the premises of the assembly building. He's also saying that I request the speaker in the chair to start discussion on it. So let me go across to Mayuresh, joining me with more inputs on this. Mayuresh, it seems that Devendra Fadnavis is addressing his party MLAs outside the assembly. Are they refusing to enter or participate in the assembly session?
Yes, Devendra Fadnavis was addressing to his party legislature, you can see here, just a while back. But as you said, yesterday only, the BJP had decided to boycott the proceedings of the Maharashtra State Assembly as a protest for suspending 12 BJP MLAs, which the state government did yesterday. If you remember, Afrida, these 12 MLAs had gone to meet governor also on this same issue. But today, all the BJP MLAs and MLCs, that is Member of Legislative Council, have decided to basically not to attend the House, not to attend the proceedings, and sit on the staircase of Maharashtra Assembly.
Okay.
And now
what is the next course of action for the BJP? What exactly are they demanding? Are they laying any conditions at the moment?
See, yesterday also they very politely, they asked to remove or revoke this kind of suspension which they had done, but the state government is not in a mood to basically take that suspension back, and that's why, to mark their protest, they are doing this shadow assembly and they are discussing the same issue here in the shadow assembly. You can see right now the senior leader of BJP, Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil, is addressing the shadow assembly on the issue of students as well as the Maratha and OBC reservation.
All right. Yes, the Maratha reservation and the OBC reservation are the main issues, the sticky issues based on which this entire drama started in the floor of the assembly. The allegation is that some BJP MLAs manhandled the speaker, entered his cabin and roughed him up. That is the allegation being made by the ruling party. And the BJP, of course, denies it. After that incident, 12 legislators of the BJP has been put on suspension for a year. And now BJP legislators are protesting over it. The main issue is that the MLAs are not being allowed to speak on the Maratha reservation and OBC reservation issue. And Devendra Fadnavis addressing his party legislators, talking about how the government is trying to silence the opposition on these issues. He says that in this shadow assembly, I am moving a resolution to condemn this act. That is Devendra Fadnavis in his address to his party MLAs outside the assembly. Pictures on your screens right now of how there's a big gathering of BJP legislators who are sitting outside the assembly in protest of the suspension of 12 of their legislators.